Welcome to this Windows channel, and hey, we've got the new numbers that are in for the market share of Windows, and these are the numbers for April 2018. At the beginning of each month, we kind of take a look at what's coming up and what's happened with the market share for different versions of Windows. The big surprise this month is the huge jump that Windows 10 is having. So this is 46.07% is the usage, the market share for the Windows versions for April of 2018. And if you compare that to last month, well, last month we were at 43.92, so it's more than 2% jump, which is kind of interesting. Pretty high jump basically, and maybe signs of things to come. I don't know if it has anything to do with maybe the new version of the April 2018 update coming up, and it's kind of interesting to look at that big jump. But of course, if we look at March, Windows 7 was at 41.5 and it has lowered to 40.08. So a big chunk of that seems to be a move from Windows 7 to Windows 10, basically because it really seems to be what's happening in general. Of course, the other operating system, Windows 8 and 8.1, is around 10%. We have Windows XP at 3.18, slowly decreasing. Windows Vista at 0.6%, which is very, very meager, just out of curiosity. 0.61 is what it had last month also. Windows XP at 3.42 last month, and 3.18 now. So, slow decline on the other operating systems also. But kind of interesting to see that Windows 10 has jumped 2% in this month-to-month look at the market share. What is interesting in here also is, I was wondering while I was looking at the numbers if will we see, Windows 10 go higher than 50% by the end of the year. That's going to be interesting to look at. Windows 7 is, holding on. It's still 40%. It's still a big chunk. I mean, 40 and 46% are not that huge of a difference. So, if we calculate, and what they have been saying is that Windows 10 might be around 700 million users. Well, that means Windows 10 at 700 million users means that Windows 7 is still probably at a good 400 to 500 million users minimum. And so it's still a lot of people. And so a lot of them are, still holding on, as we're a year and a half into the retirement of the operating system. These numbers are still pretty high. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.